G'day YouTube. So, I was looking for a chainsaw just recently and had a car I wanted to get rid of, so I swapped it for a chainsaw and some cash. This is an old Stihl 017. So this would be called a mini boss now, which would be an MS170. This is just an older model. But I thought I'd show you the condition it's in now and one of the best ways to clean them up after they've been neglected a little bit. It's a bit dirty in here, as you can see in there. And what we're going to do to clean it up is use the blower. The compressor catch up again. I'm just using the little Blackridge BRI 40 inflator. So I'll tell you a bit of a story about the chainsaw. As you can see, it doesn't have much in the way left of teeth. They're getting a bit sad, but yeah, cheap rubbish old AU Falcon wagon. This and some money my way, so wasn't too upset. These are only cheap in Australia new. But it's one of them things. How useful is the chainsaw? I've since gotten a Milwaukee electric one since I got this the other week. It come up cheap. I couldn't say no. But there's no such thing as a bad steel chainsaw to have. It's a great thing if you've got one. Mega handy, and I'm going to make up a strap so I can actually mount this to the back of the excavator. You guys will come with me on the job that I'm doing with the excavator, but we've got a lot of trees to cut up and limb up and drag up the hill for these people. And yeah, between this and the Milwaukee 16-inch, it'll be quite an easy job. So yeah, if you've got a chainsaw that looks a little bit like this and it's full of gunk, it's pretty amazing what a blowgun will do. Not quite enough compressed air in that blower to keep going, but it's not made for that. It's an inflator. Technically it's not an air compressor as such. As you see how quick you can start to clean up the machine, especially with a good bit of air pressure. Now, these are good. They're really light. They're 30-ish cc. Really good on fuel. 50 to 1 two-stroke mix, two-cycle mix, whatever you want to call it. Reasonably low smoke. They start quite easy. We want that there. Has just been going, but they wind over nice and easy. The newer ones have one of them e-starters, and they're like a recoil thing that winds up and then goes pop and starts. Don't know how they're going to be longevity wise, but like, it's a little saw. Can't expect miracles. Anyway, it's my Stihl 017, second hand, still running strong. Quite happy with quality of it. I've got 2 new chains for it and a die grinder sharpening stone. for them. I also have one of those bench mounted chain sharpeners, and when it comes time to sharpen some chains, we'll make some videos about that as well. But yeah, I'm going to go and see if I can make a mount for the excavator to hang this off somewhere nice and safe, so we can take it with us and do the job. Thanks heaps for watching, guys. More soon. Cheers.